Hey guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and today I'm going to show you step by step on how to delete all the YouTube recommendations that they have on your account. It's a very easy process. I'm going to show you right away, so let's get straight into it. Now the first thing that you want to do is open up your preferred browser, head down to youtube.com, and from there you want to go to the top right corner where your profile picture appears. Now here use this drop down menu to go down to your data in YouTube. Now right here you have all your activity and all your recent data. Now here scroll down till you see the YouTube watch history. Now here you go to on, simply go and press it. Now this will take you to the activity controls. Now here scroll down till you see manage history. Now once you're inside the history, what you want to do, you want to go and dismiss this and see here the delete button. Now here is all the history of your whole experience on YouTube. Simply press delete, go to delete all time, and as you can see here are all the videos that you've watched on YouTube. Now here you need to confirm this, and from there what you want to do is press delete, and here the deletion has been completed, and press got it. Now what this will do, it will delete all the activity on your YouTube channel. So what if I go to YouTube again, and as you can see, try searching to get started, there's nothing in my recommendations. So there's nothing that YouTube recommends me. It's easy as that. If this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.